In this video tutorial, I'm going to show you how to permanently delete your Instagram account. So from the profile page, once you're logged in here, tap on the three lines in the upper right-hand corner to bring up all of the different settings and options. Here, you want to go to Account Center at the very top. Once under Account Center, you want to go down to Personal Details. It'll be under Account Settings. And then under Personal Details, you want to go to Account Ownership and Control. Go ahead and tap into that option there. And then it says Deactivation or Deletion. Tap into those settings there. Choose the account. So for me, it's going to be my Instagram account here. And then you can choose whether to deactivate, which is temporary, or you can delete your account, which is permanent, which is what we're talking about today. So tap into Delete there, go to Continue, go ahead and hit Continue. Follow the steps here, just understanding that when you hit the last confirmation and continue button, that there is no going back. I believe they give you a few days to kind of change your mind, but once you do this, it's pretty well deleted permanently. So make sure you follow the steps here and you are good to go. That's how you permanently delete your Instagram account. If you have any questions, put those down below. See you guys in the next video.